Hello viewers, today I'll show you a recipe using a favorite Bengali fish of mine, the Tangra Mach. The recipe is called Shorshe Tetul Tangra Jhol. Here I have some Tangra fish which have been cleaned and gutted. Tangra fish belong to the family of catfish and have long whiskers which I have cut off. I will also need 4 slit green chillies and 1.5 tablespoons of crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera or black cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder and chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, and some mustard oil. Let's marinate the fish with salt, turmeric powder, and chilli powder. Let's rub the fish with the spices. You can see that this fish has some eggs inside it. Rub the spices on both sides of the fish. You can see this fish has been gutted fully and has no eggs in it. That's the fish marinated. Heat some mustard oil in a pot. Now I'm going to shallow fry the Tangra fish for 2 minutes on each side. Be careful when you turn the fish over because it can sometimes break. The fish has got a bit of color on it and it's time to take them out. That's all the fish shallow fried. In the same pot, add the black cumin seeds and give them a stir. Then add the ginger and the green chillies into the pot and fry them for a minute. Then add the turmeric and chilli powder and blend them in. Add a bit of water to deglaze the pot and stir for another minute. Then add the tamarind or tetul paste into the pot and mix it in. Now it's time to add the mustard paste into the pot and blend it in. Now I'm going to add enough water into the pot to cook the fish. Give the pot a stir. Add a bit of salt if needed. Bring the pot to a boil and put the Tangra fish into the pot one by one. Add the fish juices into the pot from the plate. Bring the pot to a boil and put the lid on and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the lid off. and carefully turn the fish over and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. And our Tangra Macher Jhol is ready. Let's plate up the spicy Shorshe Tetul Tangra Jhol. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. Shorshe Tetul Tangra Macher Jhol is really delicious and has a spicy, tangy kick to it and is very easy to make. Give this recipe of mine a try. Subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for Bengali recipes and more. Enjoy!